Happy 4th of July, and welcome to Hawkmeyer Outdoors.
And on this episode, we got some fireworks, we got a beer taste challenge, and we got some steaks to cook.
So y'all stay tuned. Just like last year's 4th of July spectacular, we went back to Mockport Fireworks in Mockport, Indiana for all of our firework needs. They're one of the exclusive distributors of this RGS brand fireworks. This year, kind of kept it simple. Got a couple boxes of our mortar rounds there, our artillery shells. Of course, it just wouldn't be 4th of July without some bottle rockets, some smoke bombs, even some military smoke. And gotta try this one. That's all she wrote. That might be all she wrote for Hawkmeyer Outdoors after we light that big guy off.
Yeah.
Hawkins, what you got on your side?
The Mockport firework guy, he said that we should get this one. We got the cheeky monkey, got some little parachute man, and return of the big and nasty.
Woo!
This year we're gonna do a little different. We're gonna get a little target practice in with the big nasty. For this little challenge, we're going to be using Corona Extra, Miller Lite, Lone Star, Busch Light, and also Miller High Life. And when we're done, we stepped away and let our lovely assistants pour these little cups in a random order. And we're going to go alternating turns, taking a drink, and we're going to try to decide which beer is which. They're not in the same order, so his is a little different order than mine, allegedly. So let's get this thing kicked off. Hawkins, I'll let you lead off. Good luck.
All right, first taste test number one. I'm gonna say that is Lone Star.
Wrong.
Oh.
Oh no.
All right, we'll see what my first one here is.
That's what I need to do.
Corona.
Perfect.
Oh no. All right, my second one. That's Busch Light. I know that
Perfect.
one. Yep.
Got that
That
right?
old Busch Light right there.
I gotta cleanse the palate here. Back to business. High Life.
Wrong.
No, this is harder than I thought. Number three. That'd be Corona.
Perfect.
I know that one.
Yeah.
We know that one. All right. Maybe we just drank for something else and not the flavor.
Busch Light.
Yep.
Oh! All right. Number 4. That one's highlight. No?
Wrong.
Dang!
Wrong.
I already know what it was. I already know what it was. Subtle, but yet hints of barley.
I'll say that's a highlight.
Oh no, he got highlight. The last one. Not the least, but the last. Lone Star.
Yep.
Ah, I knew it. Oh, I was scared not getting that one.
I know.
Whole state of Texas might have came after us. I remember this flavor.
It's all tasting the same. Man. Miller Light.
No.
Oh no!
Wrong.
Well, that's it.
There it is.
I guess it was a 3-3 tie.
3-3 tie.
Yep. Right.
Well, we're not the beer connoisseurs that we maybe thought we were.
It's harder than I thought, for sure.
I mean, I didn't.
What was the order? What was my order? Let me see that. My order was Miller High Life. I thought I said Miller High Life the first one.
Just like old Emeraldo. Bam. Well, I hope you guys are going to have a happy 4th of July. It's kind of becoming a Hawkmeyer Outdoors tradition here to do a little grilling and a little firework blasting.
Oh yeah, second annual Hawkmeyer's 4th of July. Again, I want to thank you all for all the subscriptions, all the views, all the likes, the shares, all of that. Thank you all again, and just have a happy 4th of July from Hawkmeyer Outdoors.
Hawkins really overdid himself this year. We've got ribeye, sirloin, macaroni and cheese salad, and corn on the cob. Cooked all up on the Bill grill. Man, there's no better way to celebrate 4th of July than this.
Jeff, for what? 4th of July?
Yeah.
Close enough.